Hello guys, what's up? This is my vlog, personal vlog, and I am done cooking here. I have banana roasted banana. That is not roasted, it's just like a banana boiled and steaming. So I'm done eating this two times just like that. And I have a sister that writing here. I don't know what is he writing on the here, but I don't have any business. And here I'm done boiling a water here. So there have too much left water. And here outside, so yeah, it is my everyday doing here on my house. So I'm done. In it. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And yeah, I have a doggy that very noisy. Hey, hello. See?